In this video, I will be showing you how to create recurring tasks in Notion. So first, you just have to add a database here. So type slash and then type database. And then this is what it looks like. Let me tap this three dots toggle on full width so that we can use the whole page. Now we're going to add name here, task, and then tap this tags and then change this property into a date. Okay, so we have here name, date, and then that's it. Now, the next thing to do is we're going to tap this arrow facing down next to this new button right here. And then we're going to create a new page for project. Okay, so let me add project right here. Now, below, we can add some tasks. So you can simply type this symbol right here to create a checkbox. Okay, tap space, and here it is. Now I'm going to add my checklist or to-do list right here. Okay. And then after that, I'm going to go to this date and tap this empty. As you can see now, time when this is duplicated today, date when this is duplicated. So we're going to click this now right here. Now, if you go back and tap this arrow facing down beside you again, click project, tap this three dots, and then click project again, you will see that the exact time and date I have created this project. You will see it right here. The next thing to do now is we're going to tap this arrow facing down again, click this three dots beside project, and then click repeat. Now, since this one is off, we're going to turn this one on by tapping daily and adjust settings here. For days one, for date, start now. So for recurring tasks, you want to change this. For example, the time now is 7:17 and we want this task again to appear here at 7:18. Okay, so let me change this to 7:18. And then we're going to wait till this task appears here. As we all know that when we say recurring, that means occur repeatedly, happening or appearing multiple times. So if you want to appear your task here repeatedly or you want to appear this multiple times, then all you have to do is to adjust the time at what time you specifically want this task to appear. And at this very moment, I'm waiting the time. I am waiting 7:18 for this test to appear again. So as you can see, here it is. So basically, that's how you create recurring tasks in Notion. Very easy. If you find this video helpful, please do like and share because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.